Hi, how are you doing this afternoon?
Thank you. Can I say a menu, please? Fine.
Certain, here you are.
Thank you. What's up today's special?
Grilled tuna and chips with salad on the seat.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I like a chop.
Thank you. Reverting with the food, here you are. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Can I get anything else?
Not I get like the check, please.
Then it confers everything regardless.
Here you are. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have the corner.
Goodbye.